Today we're here just promoting the MAST program with our partnership at Lincoln Tech, throwing a skills competition rodeo. So actually this competition was a joint effort with Lincoln Tech and Mazda. We were able to kind of do a joint venture where we can both showcase technician and student skills.
It's easy to look at Lincoln Tech and Mazda as a great partnership. We've been able to take ideas on a blank sheet of paper and developing it into things that you see today, where we have over 150 students competing across 3 different competitions to showcase their skills because they love the brand, they love what they're doing, and they want to make a difference.
Lincoln Tech really understands the work that a new to the industry student is doing, and those are the skills that they're learning. We currently have 4 partnerships with Lincoln Tech. We have 14 schools in total. By the end of this year, we'll have 20 schools in total, with a trajectory for 50 in the next 3 to 5 years. Lincoln Tech really understands the skills that our technicians today need.